Gurudev, on the auspicious occasion of Shankara Jayanti, could you please speak a few words on Adi Shankara?
Yeah, today what we see in India is because of Adi Shankara. You know, when Buddhism came to India, they spread the word of ahimsa. That was very necessary. Non-violence. But after a few years, what happened is that ahimsa took to that extent that they dismantled all the soldiers. The entire defense system was dismantled because they were all given sannyas. All the soldiers were given sannyas. At that time, Adi Shankara came and he re-established the ancient Sanatan Dharma. Then interestingly what he made is he made the sannyasis into sipais, into soldiers. All these akhadas, especially in the north, he didn't do that in the south, but there was no need here. Only north was under a lot of invasion, so fights and all that. So he made those 6 akhada, actually 12 akhadas, 6 main akhadas. Akhadas they were sannyasis already. They were just doing their own things, and he grouped them together and asked them to defend the dharma. So they become warriors. All the Naga sadhus and the sadhus, they're all, and they made many of the akhada, their Niranjani akhada and all, their lord is Kartikeya. Kartikeya is commander-in-chief. So he gave Kartikeya as their deity and formed the group. So he was a good organizer. And he made 4 mutts, actually 5 mutts, 4 main. And he gave complete rules and regulation. Even till today, that rules are being followed. He said, this Shankaracharya of this region should not go into that region. You know, even among sannyasis, sadhus, there need to be some rules and regulations. So he kept that rule for the mutts. All the 4 mutts, he gave them rules that your jurisdiction is here, you should work only in this area, like that. And so the dharma kept growing.